How to see who likes your YouTube videos. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that a lot of YouTubers wonder on seeing who has liked our videos on YouTube. So unfortunately, YouTube doesn't give us the option to see the specific users who liked our videos. But don't worry, in this video, we are going to explain what can you see and how can you still get some useful insights. So first off, YouTube doesn't exactly show us who has liked our videos if we have any. We can see the total number of the likes on your video has gotten, but the names of the users who liked it are kept private. It is just a part of YouTube's privacy policy. Now, even though you can't see who liked your YouTube video, you can get some really cool insights into how your audience is engaging with the content through the YouTube Studio. So for that, you can go ahead and go to YouTube Studio and click on the Analytics tab and head over to the engagement section here, and you'll be finding all of your likes, dislikes, and overall interaction statistics of your YouTube channel. Otherwise, if you really want to know who is interacting with your content, you can do is drop a comment if you have enjoyed this video. That will you will know exactly who is watching and engaging, and you can reply to the comments. So while YouTube doesn't let us see exactly who liked our videos, you still have ways to understand how your content is performing and connect with your audience for now. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. And if you have got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.